In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy data from an Excel spreadsheet into XLPOINT stock system. So I've created a very blank spreadsheet. You can see I've got some descriptions, I've got selling price, a department that I've linked them to, and then its cost price. So I'm going to open up the back office. I'm going to go into stock and item programming. And see it's already blank still. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to call my spreadsheet and I'm going to highlight the descriptions, copy and paste. And I'm going to go back to the price, copy, we'll put the cost in, we'll leave out the cost for the moment, and then we'll put in the department. Now before we do, you'll see that if I go to the department link, there are no departments set up. So now if I paste it in, it will automatically also create the necessary departments.